In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to increase FPS on Roblox. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the problem of slowing and lagging on Roblox, I'm gonna show you how to in less than 1 minute. First thing, go to any server on Roblox, this one for example. Go to the top, click on Roblox logo, click on settings, scroll down, make the graphics mode on manual and the graphics quality as lower as possible. Click resume and then it's gonna be fixed for you. So I hope you enjoy and try it. If it's not, then you have another choice to go back to settings, click on here and make sure to turn off those three options and click resume. Now it's gonna be working well for you. See you in the next video.